Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can delete Minecraft account on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is first of all open your Safari browser or any kind of web browser, and then from here you'll have to get to the search bar and search minecraft.net. So after doing that, this will get you to the web browser of Minecraft, and then from here you'll have to make sure that you are logged into your account. Just like this, I'm currently logged into my account. So in here you can get the option of all games. So beside the all games there is this arrow. If you tap on this and drag this arrow down just like this, here you'll get this page from which you'll have to tap on account. So after tapping on account, here you can get the option of login at account.microsoft.com. You'll have to tap on this option. And then from here, this will take us to the Microsoft.com web page. And in here, what you're going to do is tap on your profile icon right here. And then in here, tap on My Profile. So after doing that, here you'll have to scroll down until you get this option where it says Close Account. Here you can see under the account information, there is the Close Account option. Here I can zoom you out just like this, tap on Close Account. So after doing that, here we'll get to this particular page from which you'll have to now scroll down and then tap on Close Account button right here. Then in here you can see we are on this page from which again scroll down until you see the option of Next, tap on Next. And then from here, you'll have to select all of these agreements of Microsoft. So in here, you'll have to remember that you'll lose all of the access to your personal or organizational data stored by any Microsoft services. So here are many more informations regarding you losing your account. So if you are okay with losing all of your data in your Microsoft account, you'll have to select all of these like this. Just like this, keep on tapping to all of these checkbox and agree with all of the terms and condition before deleting your account. So after doing that, here you'll have to select a reason. So you can simply tap on this box, and then from here you can get multiple reasons like combining Microsoft account, or my reason isn't enlisted, or this account was hacked, or anything like that. For now, I'm going to select I use different Microsoft account and I don't need this one. So after doing that, here you'll have to tap on Mark Account for Closure. So after doing that, here you'll get a mail. Here you can see we have now successfully set our Microsoft account to be closed. So it will take about 60 days in order to be completely deleted. And with your Microsoft account, your Minecraft account will also be deleted. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.